taking place right here in Shambu border from Feb 13, 2024 onwards. Over a year now, what we've seen is this is actually a town which existed right here in Shambu border. The farmers, they had put up a stiff opposition to the government, especially to the centre. But here it is, what you see on ground is specifically a lot of action taking place. And it's not going to be easy as far as this is concerned, because look at the number of trolleys, look at the tractors. So all this is going to be removed. So look at this. This entire place has been turned into a cantonment of sorts. Checking taking place to ensure there are no farmers. Sir, ये खाली करा दिया गया है?
हाँ जी मैम,
खाली करा दिया गया है?
हाँ जी मैम, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਬੈਠੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟਫੁਲੀ ਦੱਸਤਾ ਜੀ ਵੀ ਧਰਨਾ ਸਮਾਪਤ ਹੋ, ਆਪਦੇ ਘਰੇ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ, ਆਪਦਾ ਸਮਾਨ ਵੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ।
तो कितने ऐसे किसान थे सर?
अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 50, मे बी 100।
50 से 100 के करीब हैं। और आप ये बताइएगा कि यहाँ से उनको डिटेन किया गया है, कहाँ लेके जाया गया है, क्या कार्रवाई होगी और ये पूरा खाली कराने में कितना समय लग जाएगा?
मैम, हमने उनको ऑप्शन दी थी कि वो अपना सामान लेके अपने घर जा सकते हैं, हमारी तरफ से कोई रोक नहीं है। उनका किसी का ट्रैक्टर खड़ा है, ट्राली खड़ी है, वो भी अपनी साथ लेके जा सकते हैं। पर फिर भी अगर किसी ने, तो 90% जो किसान यूनियन के लोग हैं वो चले गए हैं अपना सामान लेके। फिर भी जो कोई 5-10% लोगों ने थोड़ा रेजिस्टेंस किया तो उनको राउंड अप कर लिया गया।
तो कितने लोग राउंड अप हुए हैं सर?
आई डोंट हैव द एग्जैक्ट नंबर, मे बी अराउंड 20-30।
सर, आप अपना पूरा नाम और डेजिग्नेशन जरूर बताइए।
सॉरी, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड।
तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि जिस तरह से यहाँ पे एक्शन आपको ऑन ग्राउंड नजर आ रहा है, खास तौर पे यहाँ पर एक बड़ी कार्रवाई होती हुई। सो दिस इज वेयर लॉट ऑफ एक्शन इज टेकिंग प्लेस, बट रिमेंबर दैट्स द बॉर्डर दैट यू सी अक्रॉस राइट हियर, एंड दिस इज वेयर द men at task is going to take next few days to clear this up. But remember, as far as the government is concerned, they have taken a calculated risk, because this could go against the Aam Aadmi Party. But it seems that Tarunjit Saun, who's a minister in Punjab cabinet, has talked about the losses, something we've heard Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann really talk about it, that this is where the losses incurred by the state is something which is troublesome. They say they actually stand with the farmers. But what you can also say is that the farmers who were in talks today, remember the agriculture minister was there, Harpal Chima, the other ministers. So this ongoing talks, that is where when they were closing their solution of sorts, we've seen that is one bit. The other bit is how this entire highway was blocked. So there you see, that is the Shambu border blockage, and this is where the tractors were put in, the trolleys were put in, and now it seems the entire area has been in a way not just cordoned, but the farmers removed from here, and this is where a small huddle, a small meeting now taking place, but clearly a big task at hand, because remember, every time the farmers have called for a meeting, the meeting has gone on for long, but also has had a huge gathering of 50,000. All political parties now really coming and giving a blowback to Aam Aadmi Party, but this could be problematic for Aam Aadmi Party, but they've taken that calculated risk. But meanwhile, what we see is Punjab police personnel on ground. Is going to be a long night, and there you have it, a lot of action. Meanwhile, around 100 people have been detained right here in Shambu border. With camera person Gujjeet, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu at Shambu border for India Today.